Good day. Okay. Basically gonna go through some questions that my partner Pullen has come up with that are most frequently asked about Forex, right? So I'm gonna try and explain it briefly with this video. Okay, because yeah, the video would be better than just writing down words. Okay, so how does Forex work, right? Okay, it's the financial market. Basically, what we do in Forex is we trade the financial markets. So what we do is try and predict which country is going to be stronger than the other. An example, close example to home is USD against ZAR. So this shows that United States has been strengthening from the 31st of Jan against the South African Rand, and somewhere here on the 28th of March, the South African rand started getting strong, right? So what I do, what I'm trained to do is know which country to invest in. So an example is, let's say I've got 5,000 rand, and then I see that the South African rand is gonna weaken, then I move it into United States, right? Because I feel that United States is more stable. Then I move it there, and basically when I feel the South African rand is gonna get strong, then I move it back into the country. And just by doing that, I could have increased my 5,000 into 7,000, right? But now usually you would go to an exchange company to move those funds, or bank and things like that. But Forex is a platform where you move money by a click of a button. You invest in a certain country by a click of a button, right? And if you predict correctly, you get profits, and if you predict incorrectly, you get negatives, right? Okay, so that's what we do. So currently, the South African rand is winning against the USD, and I just use an analyzing and reading the financial news and trying to figure out what's going to happen next. So this is investing.com. I would go through investing.com, read up on the markets, and find out information about maybe the South African rand, and find out if there's any news that will affect it to be weaker, and find out about oil and stocks and all of that from this, and decide what I'm gonna trade next, where I'm gonna invest my money next. So this is one of the websites we use. So basically from this, I make profits. So I just want to show you. If you look here, the current balance is 3,787, but the equity, because of this loss here of almost 1,000 rand, is 900. The equity goes down the more negative this is, but the balance I have is 3,700. So I created this profile yesterday just so I can do this video basically. So if you look, just gonna show you trading history. If you look at this trading history last month, okay. So if you look, just yesterday, today is the 3rd, so yesterday I deposited 1,300 rand, right? South African rands, and I traded all these currencies here. And from 1,300, I traded and made. So I deposited that yesterday, and for today, till today, I made less than profit that I made from yesterday to today. And I deposited this around about late yesterday at 9. I deposited at 9 p.m. And basically, so we could say that it took me a day to almost triple this account, because I'm almost on 2.6 profit, which is triple the deposit that I made. So these are the profits that I made, almost double the money, and that's in a day. But this was with a high like I traded hard on this, I traded hard. I was focused, really focused. So this is a possibility that you can double your money, even triple it in a day. But yeah, this is how it works. So I've made that amount of profit and I can say withdraw. So I haven't withdrawn anything, but I can withdraw capital from this account using a platform. The platform. So this is Loco-FX, and this is the platform that I'm using, Loco-FX. And I can say, if I need money from those profits, I can decide to withdraw. You see, there's an option to withdraw funds. So this is an account, like a bank account of mine, that I can take out money from this platform of profits. Yes, and that's how it works basically. I just trade against currencies and decide where to invest the money by click of a button, and if everything goes right, I make that profit. So yeah, as you can see, I've almost tripled my account. I just need 200 Rand basically to triple my account. Okay, and yeah, we use techniques. So it took me 4 years to get to this level. It's not an easy thing, but it's possible. So the next question, how long does it last? The Forex market has been there forever. It's always been there. The banks, the most paid people in a bank are the traders because they use the bank's money to trade in Forex. Now, stock markets, there's about 1 billion traded every single day. But in the Forex market, there's 1 trillion. And out of that 1 trillion, it's basically a matter of I want to get my own share, trying to get your share of the 1 trillion. And anybody can do this. You just need to register profile. But yeah, you'd have to be good at it to really make profit like I did. Okay, the third question, if this is so good, what makes you want to do for others? Okay, the reason why I want to do this for others, and I won't do this for a lot of people, is for me to show people. I started doing this 4 years ago, helping other people grow their income, because I realized that banks give you 10% max on your investment, and I felt that since I can make plus minus 20% to 50 to now, this was like 200% profit in a day. Why do you need to just get 10%? So I wanted to enlighten people on what is possible, and that their money sitting in a fixed deposit is actually not working for them, but is actually working for the banks. Because if you put a fixed deposit in a bank, in a matter of 12 months, they'll give you the 10% part. They'll probably have made 200 to 300% of your money. So I don't think it's fair. You should be getting something quite better. And obviously to build my name, because I'm busy planning a company, an investment company. So just to expose myself to people that there is a person like me that knows what they are doing and understands it. Okay. What happens if a market falls? Do I get my money back or is it lost? Look, if the market crashes, yes, you will have lost all your money, but there's ways to defend your money. Like from this platform, I can decide at any point that, you know what, I'm only willing to risk lose like 10% of what I've put in, and that's how I trade. It's up to me how much. There is a way to defend your money, but in my case, what I do is whoever I do not take investments of more money than I have in my savings pocket. So if I have 100K in my savings pocket, I'll only take investors that lead to 100K and not above that. That's my safety net. Okay. So yes, it's possible that you could lose all your money, but highly unlikely because there's ways to protect your income. Okay. Number 5, what guarantees do I have in doing this that whilst I invest, I will see my returns monthly? In my 5 years of trading, I haven't made anything less than 20% per month, and I'm still consistent. I do save though money for emergencies, like I said, on my savings pocket for any emergencies. That markets can crash, but they don't crash like all the time. They could crash once every 5 years, but I do keep savings for that instance from the profits that I've made from the market. So it's not difficult to get those returns. If the market does crash, you get your money back. That's the worst case scenario. You're getting your money back. You're not getting the returns, basically. Number 6, if someone were to invest in your company and they invest 100K, are we saying that every month? Yes. So if someone did deposit 200,000, I am willing to give 40% and 30 days. Yes. And if they want their initial capital back, they just need to give us a notice of 30 days because, yeah, we're not trading for only one person, but we're trading a pool. Okay. The worst that could happen, number 7, what's the worst that could happen? The worst may happen that you lose, we lose the capital in the trading account, but in the savings, it will always be there. Okay, number 8, great way to make money. Why is everyone not doing this? Okay, the reason why everyone is not doing this is because it's not as easy as I make it seem. It took me 4 years to get to this level. The reason why banks are in the banks, traders are the most highly paid is because they train themselves. It's a skill, and it's not a skill that you attain, and it's an emotional. The forex market is a very emotional market. It can affect your emotions, so you need to be very focused and very smart about how you trade. So it is said that 95% of traders fail, and that's because they let the emotions run through them. Like if you're losing money, you get emotional and say, no, I can't lose this much. But we do accept that there are some losses that we gain, but we make more profits than losses because we know risk management. So yes, I am working because I only need like 2 to 3 hours a day to analyze the market and be on the market to make these profits. So then sitting at home and just being bored, let me just meet other people. And yeah, I don't really need the job. It's just a matter of I there's no harm in getting additional capital. And number 9, how long does it take to process the withdrawals? Basically, it takes 3 to 5 working days because some brokers are from internationals that you work with. So to get the funds into South Africa banks and all of that, there's 3 to 5 days, working days, mostly 3 though. From my experience, it's only taken me 3 days from the withdrawal that the money reflects in my account. So yeah, those are the questions answered. So it's not a difficult thing to do, but you require the skill. So we are willing to teach, which is a better thing. I'm more willing to teach you the skill than to invest for you, because if I teach you the skill, I teach you how to fish than fishing for you. But I know adults like my mom and maybe her friends or people that are old that don't have time to do this or don't have time to learn to do this and play around with this. So they would rather give it to someone that knows what they're doing. So that's us. We know what we're doing. I've been doing this for 4 years. I have the results. If you're looking to see the results and I see that you're a serious investor, I will show you everything, like everything from bank accounts to statements to everything. But not everybody will. I won't show that to each and every person, but only the serious people. So yes, this is a good thing because, like you see now, I've made 200% of what I initially put in, and basically I'm gonna take out what I invested. If I take out what I invested, then I have nothing to lose, because if I take out 1.3 there, then basically I've taken out what I've put in and I've lost nothing. So yeah. So it is a good thing to get into because it brings financial freedom. I do make more from this than my salary, and that gives me freedom because I can quit any day without stress because I have the skill to make my salary. Yeah. And yeah, and that's how this works. And basically this is the platform that everybody uses. That's MetaTrader. And if you have an account, see it says live there, so it's a live account and it shows the name of the person that's handling the account. And yeah, when you do have an account, you end up getting something like this, where it's like an account for you where you transfer funds. There's documents about you, about the funds that you have currently there. So this is the balance. This is my equity on the trading account, and yeah. So yeah, we basically look at the financial markets and study them and make decisions from there on what we're gonna do. Thank you for watching.